They're here. What's up, I'm out, you man? Just nobody else can do with dimensions. Yeah. They say an eagle once flew where the stars begin to breathe. No map can mark the kingdom and no hand can make it leave. Some called it just a legend, some called it heaven's eye, but ancient walls still show the same strange bird across the sky. A golden feather falling where no feather should have been. A circle made of starlight with a black hole in between. Three elders told a story but they never told it straight. They said the bird was born before the universe knew fate. Who flies without a wing beat, who shines without a flame, who carries something older than a language or a name, who watches dying planets but refuses to descend, who knows where every beginning disappears and every ending bends. The riddle has a heartbeat, the mystery has a sound. The answer isn't buried, it's moving all around. Some say the king eagle was a creature, some say symbol, some say sign, but every ancient civilization drew the same strange line. A temple lost beneath the ice contained a broken throne. No king was ever sitting there, no bones were ever known. Above it was an eagle with its wings across the sun. Below it 7 circles showed the planets one by one. The priest wrote down a warning but the final page was gone. They said the bird would rise again whenever stars were born. Not to conquer human kingdoms, not to rule the earth below, but to carry cosmic energy wherever living systems grow. One eye watching Saturn, one eye watching Mars. A golden shadow traveling between forgotten stars. No engine, no machine, no wings of metal could explain how something crossed the universe and came back through the rain. A scientist found a feather inside a meteor stone. It pulsed beneath the microscope like something living, something known. Every time the feather moved, the instruments went blind, and every clock inside the lab performing off the sense of time. Who flies beyond tomorrow, who remembers yesterday, who turns the dark to energy and never fades away. If the universe is breathing, is the eagle breathing too? If every star is dying, what is keeping something new? The answer hides in motion in the silence between sound, and every tiny particle that spins without a ground. The king eagle isn't thunder, isn't lightning, isn't flame. Maybe cosmic energy is simply wearing one old name. Yeah, A second archive surfaced underneath an ancient desert town. A stone door opened upward when the midnight sun went down. Inside they found a chamber with no body and no gold, just symbols showing galaxies and patterns no one knows. A golden bird was carved there with a crown above its head, but when the light was turned upon it, every carving moved instead. The eagle spread its wings across the ceiling like a map, and every star it touched became a doorway into black. Then came the oldest riddle written underneath the floor. What gives a dying star its light and asks for nothing more? What moves through every living thing but cannot be contained? What powers every heartbeat underneath the human frame? What travels without distance and arrives without a sound? What makes the universe expand while never touching ground? The scholars wrote their theories but the stone erased them all, as if the ancient answer never wanted names at all. They say the king eagle appeared whenever worlds were changing, whenever old ideas collapsed and new dimensions started forming. Some called it a god, some called it a cosmic machine. Some said it was imagination hiding somewhere in a dream. But one surviving tablet gives a stranger explanation. It says the eagle isn't ruler, it is transformation. It doesn't carry energy because energy isn't carried. It only shows the hidden force that keeps existence married. So the mystery gets deeper as the ancient pages turn. The eagle doesn't create the stars don't make it burn. It moves between the opposites, the silence and the sound. The birth inside the ending, the sky beneath the ground. Every feather represents a frequency unseen. Every movement leaves a trace between the spaces in between. And every eye that follows it eventually understands the universe is not a kingdom, it's a current through all lands. Yeah. Znali uzganiły dimensions. Now, listen to the rhythm while the old symbols activate. Fast thoughts, quick words, cosmic gears accelerate. Boom bap in the bloodstream with the future in the frame. Ancient drums beneath the circuit while the stars rewrite the game. No pause for the answer, let the mystery keep running. Every bar another doorway, every syllable becoming a signal from the darkness, a transmission from afar, like an eagle made of energy flying straight between the stars. They found one final temple where the northern lights were bright. Inside was just a mirror reflecting nothing but the night. A voice appeared in silence, but nobody could see. It asked the final question that unlocked the mystery. If every star contains the force that makes the darkness glow, if every living thing contains the energy below, then why search for the eagle somewhere beyond the cosmic sea? When everything